Welcome to MClax TV, where we keeping it real. As you enjoy this video, don't forget to drop your thought on the comment section below, and also like, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Information reaching us right away is that the world Elon Musk, SpaceX's Starlink is now live in Nigeria, according to the company. The Elon Musk-owned firm confirmed this in a tweet on Monday, stating that Nigeria was the first African country to enjoy its services. It tweeted, "Starlink is now available in Nigeria, the first African country to receive service." Nigeria is the 47th country in the world to get Starlink internet services. Starlink seeks to deliver a global broadband network, using a constellation of low Earth orbit to provide high-speed internet coverage with the capacity to penetrate rural and geographically isolated areas. According to the Nigerian Communications Commission, broadband penetration hit 47.36% as of December 2022. Nigeria hopes to increase its broadband penetration to 50% in 2023 and 90% in 2025. The Nigerian National Broadband Plan, 2020-2025, reads in part, "The new broadband plan is designed to deliver data download speeds across Nigeria of a minimum 25 megabits per second in urban areas, and 10 megabits per second in rural areas, with effective coverage available to at least 90% of the population by 2025 at a price not more than N390 per 1 gigabyte of data, i.e. 2% of median income or 1% of minimum wage." Recently, the Minister of Communications and Digital Economy, Pantami, stated that the country had achieved 100% broadband coverage following the licensing and operation of Starlink. He said, "Based on the National Broadband Plan, we were to have 90% broadband coverage by December 2025. However, we recently gave a license to Starlink to provide services, and this has given us 100% coverage, about 3 years ahead of schedule." While Starlink has now commenced operations in Nigeria, there are concerns about how its high price will hinder the ability of citizens to access its services. Elon Musk's satellite company, SpaceX, has slashed the costs of its hardware and subscription plan to N274,098 and N19,260 per monthly, respectively. Recall that Nairametrics earlier reported that Starlink had fixed $600 and $43 as the cost of its hardware and monthly subscription, respectively, amounting to about N438,000 and N31,000 at the parallel market rate. Some Nigerians who pre-ordered the hardware last year paid the initial amount in dollars. But the company's prices are now quoted in Naira, which means that Nigerians can make payments using their Naira debit card. First in Africa, with the official announcement, Nigeria becomes the first African country to witness the launch of Starlink. Responding to SpaceX tweet announcing the development, Nigeria's Minister of Communications and Digital Economy, Pantami said, "We have made it again. At SpaceX, thank you for hosting me in your headquarters, USA in December 2022 to complete the logistics for the deployment." Recall that the minister had last week stated that Nigeria has achieved 100% broadband coverage with the operation of Starlink, whose satellite service covers the length and breadth of the country. According to him, through the National Broadband Plan, NBP 2020-2025, Nigeria was targeting 90% broadband coverage by the year 2025, and this has been achieved ahead of time through the licensing of Starlink, as Nigerians can now have access to high-speed internet from any part of the country. Increased competition. With the price slash, the competition in the internet service provisioning space in Nigeria is expected to get stiffer, as Starlink is now challenging the likes of Mountain, Airtel, Globacom, 9Mobile, and hundreds of internet service providers in Nigeria providing services via different technology, including fiber and satellite. Starlink's speed is its selling point. The company said on its website that Nigerians on Starlink will see download speeds of 50 to 200 megabits per second. One of the early users of the service in Nigeria, Beloga Badalba, had attested to speed, saying that he got about 20 megabits per second on the initial test and it went up to about 240 megabits per second afterward. Thanks for watching, and keep your notification button on for more videos. Feel free to drop your thought on the comment section below, and also like, subscribe to my channel. And one more thing before I forget, share this video to your friends and loved ones. Let love leads.